Let's talk about Helldivers, error code impulses and fix. Matchmaking not working in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But fear not, brave Helldiver, we're here to help you get back into the fight. In this fight you will explore a range of tried and true solutions and troubleshoot this infuriating error, so you can rejoin your brethren on the battlefield and finally deliver freedom across the galaxy.
Before you dive into complex fixes, the very first thing you should always do is check the Helldivers server status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end, but with the game's servers themselves, especially during peak hours or after new patches. A quick look at the official Helldivers Twitter or Reddit can often confirm widespread issues. If the servers are down, all you can do is hold tight and wait for the developers to get them back online.
All right, if the servers seem fine, let's start with the classic solution. Turn it off and on again, fully close Helldivers, and then crucially restart your entire gaming system, whether it's your or PlayStation. This simple action can often clear temporary glitches or corrupted data that might be causing them error. Don't underestimate the power of a good old system reset when dealing with stubborn bugs like this. Next up, we need to ensure your game files aren't corrupted or incomplete. Players should use Steam to verify integrity of game files, which will automatically download any missing or damaged files. For PlayStation users, clearing your console's cache can often resolve these kinds of issues by removing old problematic data. This step ensures your game installation is fresh and ready to go, eliminating a common source of errors. If you're still facing issues, the problem might be with your network connection tray. Power cycling your router and modem by unplugging them for about seconds before plugging them back in. Also consider trying a wire Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it provides a more stable link and can prevent connection drops. Sometimes even resetting your network settings on your console can work wonders for resolving matchmaking woes.